Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. No man is an island. Be like. 1. Even superheroes need a team. Reason working together makes challenges easier. 2. One person can cook, another can wash the dishes. Reason, teamwork shares the load. 3. Asking for help isn't a weakness, it's smart. Reason, everyone needs support sometimes. 4. Comrades make good days better. Reason, sharing gladness multiply happiness. 5. A puzzle is easier when everyone finds a piece. Reason, cooperation solves problems faster. 6. Even a great player needs teammates. Reason, teamwork often leads to success. 7. Learning together makes studying more fun. Reason, people can help each other understand. 8. A kind word can brighten someone's day. Reason, small acts of kindness matter. 9. Sharing ideas creates better ideas. Reason, different perspectives inspire creativity. 10. Even the strongest tree grows in a forest. Reason, supportive communities help us grow. 11. Celebrating together makes victories sweeter. Reason, shared success feels more meaningful. 12. A smile is even better when it's shared. Reason, happiness spreads. 13. Helping someone today may inspire them tomorrow. Reason, kindness often comes full circle. 14. Every team has different strengths. Reason, everyone brings something valuable. 15. Listening is just as important as talking. Reason, good communication builds trust. 16. Great memories are often made together. Reason, shared experiences last a lifetime. 17. Nobody knows everything and that's okay. Reason, we learn from one another. 18. Together, small efforts become big achievements. Reason, cooperation creates progress. 19. Being kind costs nothing but means a lot. Reason, respect strengthens relationships. 20. No man is an island. We grow stronger when we help and encourage one another. Reason, connection, teamwork, and kindness help everyone succeed. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.